Okay, hey, I got this smartwatch from Temu. One of the reasons I actually thought about getting this was because I saw it has a spot for the AirPods, so I felt maybe this should be better. Okay, let's dive right into the unboxing experience. Okay, I finally got it open. Actually, what I'm seeing on the packet is saying smartwatch model D8. Saying it has 240 mega amperes battery and blah blah blah, charging time 120 minutes, like you can see here. So let's dive right into the boxing. I don't even know how this was packaged. Okay, it seems like this one has a nicer package compared to the previous one. Wow, I love this packaging for something this cheap, and it has weight. Like, maybe if it has weight, it should be original compared to my phone, but my phone is. So this is the manual. Oh, this manual is damn plenty. Okay, I'll read it later. And I guess this should be the manual in another language. Okay, this is the smartwatch. Let's keep it outside. This is the charger. It also has the same charger as the previous smartwatch, and this is the strap. If you observe now, you will notice that the strap on this one is metal, or should I say aluminum? No, it looks like metal. It's metal and it can be easily replaced compared to the previous one. I'm not sure the previous one could be replaced. So that's all in the box. There's nothing else. But I just like this foam they just used on the box. Wow, the unboxing experience on this one is better than the unboxing experience on the previous one. Okay, so let's. Whoa, I think they should be on the right. Okay, I think this one was turned off from the market. Oh wow, you have to set it accordingly. Okay, next step. Okay. Wow, they're actually forcing me to start using it from the beginning. Okay, so I managed to skip through all the unboxing process. So this is how it is. Wow, this is super nice. Like, I love this. Imagine having your AirPods and your smartwatch at the same time, where you don't have to forget both of them, or you don't have to start thinking of charging both of them. You have the both of them at the same time. Wow, this is nice. Maybe later I will check how loud the AirPods are, so that I can make a review about it. Wow. So I finally skipped everything. So this is how it is. It has NFC. Oh my god. You can see it right there. NFC guidelines. Door lock. Oh my god. This is better than the previous one. Okay, let me not just assume first. Okay. This is how it is. This is how the button is. Okay. Clock. If you observe, they have similar design, but this one kind of look clearer. Although they still have the down bezels like the other one too. But the other one had a much thinner bezel, I guess. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comment section. The music, alarm, calculator, breathe. Okay, I think this one has a breathing exercise and lights. I'm not sure I'll use that for anything, but let's leave it. Then address list, calculator, game center. Oh, this one has more games. Like, wow, kids will love this. They'll really love this. That one had only one game that I didn't understand to play. Oh, merit. You can hear. That's how the vibration mode looks like. It's not as good as the one on my iPhone 12 mini, but that I'm using to shoot this video, but is at least that kind of vibration. I believe that with that kind of vibration, if it's connected to the alarm and I'm sleeping and I want my watch to wake me up, it should wake me up. It should. Yes, it has map. Wow, this is serious. Okay, what two things I've seen that this one has and the other one doesn't have? This one has more games. This one has map. The calculator is the same. This one has lights and the breathing exercise. The workout is the same. Heart rate is the same. Let's see what is in the settings. Wow, it can also be password locked. Oh my god. Toast notifier. If there is an unread notifier, it will be displayed on a bright screen. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Then okay, toast notifier again. Password. So you can put password on this one, and wow. Then this one is the brightness. Nice. Raise wrist. This raise wrist stuff to wake it up. Overlay, screen shutdown time, often bright. 12-hour system. 12-hour system. Bedside lamp. Bedside lamp is just like the standby mode on iPhone. This is often bright. I don't know what this means. Maybe I feel it's just going to remain bright often. I don't know. Maybe when I check them out. Then the wake up time. Tap, light tapping, wake up for 15 seconds. Okay, this is when you tap it, the amount of time to wake up. I think 15 seconds should be better in case you want to like check a date or do more. But it's nice. Then let's go to the menu style. It has the same type of this that iOS on, but let's use this one for now. Okay, then let's go to the touch. Touch remind. Touch to remind. Okay, is it like touch? I don't know how I should make this off, but I don't know if I should tap on it. Swiping from up doesn't do anything. Okay, I think it brings your messages, but the screen isn't that authentic because when I was setting it up, I observed that it was looking as if it was hanging. Although I don't know. I feel this will show the battery of the EarPods. And it's great, like it is one of the best things I've seen. It's nice. Then swiping from here. Yes, swiping from here is also good too. But it's really hard to get the swiping thing to work every time. Look at. It's hard to get it to work. Okay, this is heart rate. Music. So you can just get shortcut to every single thing on this watch. Wow, this watch is really great. Like I told you, this is the usage guide. Okay, scan the code to view the video. Okay, maybe there's actually a video. Assuming it had a photos app, I would have been very happy. I feel I have to press it with force in order for this thing to work. I don't know, but the main thing is working. You can just check your time and that's all. Yes. Let's hold on it. Oh wow, I love that. If you watch it, it's actually not OLED. This is showing the time at 45. It's actually not OLED, it's LCD too, but you know OLED is expensive, so you can't get a lot for this price. Look at the animation there, and the vibration is just one funny thing about this thing. The vibration is just going to destroy the hell out of you. Then the strap. This one is wow, it's chain. Stainless steel. I actually said this was aluminum or something else the first time. I'm sorry, this is stainless steel. The problem I have with this stainless steel is that since this watch isn't like a premium watch, after a while you might start observing that this stainless steel will start to peel. I don't know, I'm just saying, it might not peel, it might peel, but I just have that feeling that it will peel because the ones we buy from our cobbler, our wristwatch sellers here, especially if you're going for the cheaper ones, that's what happens. After a while, it starts peeling. Maybe if it's gold, it starts turning to silver, or it starts turning to iron or anything. Yes, but I love this smartwatch. The EarPod is just really, really nice. Just really nice. I just pray it has good sound. Okay, the EarPod is very, very nice. Look at how small they are. The thing is that I might not know. Fixing it the first time would be oh, it was not. Yes, I did it accurately, and this should fit in my ear very well. Yep, fits in my ear very well. Just looks like I'm wearing just a straight thing. Anybody that doesn't know this thing will feel like I'm wearing a real AirPod. That's what they think. But nope, this is not a real AirPod. I'm observing that if I'm using my right hand to swipe, it's not working. Just if I'm using my index, it's just my thumb that's working. Look at my index is as if it's working and it's not working sometimes, but my thumb is working every single time. I don't know if I'll say there's no blood on my thumb, but it doesn't work with blood anyways. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Peace.